In this video, I will show you step by step how you can install a Roblox app into your MacBook laptop just in few minutes. So this will be quick tutorial step by step. So let's get started. So I already installed Roblox app to my MacBook laptop, as you can see over here, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys step by step how you can do it. It's super easy. So what you will do, you will go to your Google Chrome like this and search for Roblox, scroll down, and you should see over here download a Roblox app. Click on download a Roblox app, okay, and it's gonna take you to this page over here, as you can see, okay. What you need to do next, you will click on download Mac app, and Roblox app will be download to your laptop, okay, like this. So what you will do, step number one, click on this Roblox file, okay, to run the Roblox installer, which is just download via your web browser. Step number two, double click the Roblox app icon to begin the installation process. Step number three, click open when prompted by your computer. So that's what I did. I just followed those steps. It's super easy. Just click on your laptop, click on your Roblox file that you just download, and just double click again to begin the installation process. And here you go. You can start playing Roblox, and it will be installed to your MacBook laptop like this. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.